Hello everyone. Welcome to another stream today. We're excited to have you here. Um, thank you for joining, everyone. We appreciate you being here. So last week was kind of crazy. We had like technical issues, like doing certain things, like even though we're like close to ending most of the work for the stream. This week we're streaming again, of course, because we can't be put down by that. Yeah, good morning. Um, yeah, introductions. Hey, I'm Tobiloba and I'm a software engineer and developer engineer. And yeah, I enjoy streaming and that's why I was streaming today. And just I love doing anything around like writing code online and just having fun. So I'm excited to be here today and we have like two exciting things we're talking about. But before that, I'm going to let Emmanuel introduce himself.
Hi everyone, my name is Emmanuel I'm a software engineer, and yeah, like Toby, I also enjoy streaming, and we've been doing this for a couple of weeks now. And last week wasn't the best, but we hope this one is going to be a lot more fun than last week. So happy to be here, excited to be here, and yeah, let's get into it.
Awesome. So for this week, we are talking about two really exciting things. We're talking about um, Slidev, and we're also talking about Solidhack. So Solidhack 2024 is happening um, in a bit. And we have like plans to like, actually participate. Write some solid yes or solid stuff, whatever. But yeah, we're using Slidev today, so it's something that we've been fascinated by. So we just thought, oh, why not just use it on stream? I've always wanted to have my slides the website. I've done it for like two of my talks. It was fun. It was like built them. I built them in React too, so it was maybe not as exciting. So we're using Slidev today to see what it's like, and Slidev is Vue surprisingly. So I don't know. What do you think, Emmanuel?
Yeah. I mean, it's for me, it makes a lot of sense. For like most especially when you want to like give talks uh, in a tech event, it's more easy for like your audience to access your slides. After using Slidev, yeah, for instance, you host the slide, so you can just send like the link of the slide for them to just go and maybe download or be able to view the slides. And yeah, you could go through the approach of using React and all, but I think Slidev makes it more easier with Markdown. And yeah, it's an amazing discovery. It took a while before I even knew that something like this existed, and I think that's what kind of pushed us to like do this stream because most people don't actually know that this type of tools exist. That they could just spring up a good slide, in just a couple of minutes with Slidev. So yeah, it's a good one. Yeah, looking forward to it.
Awesome. Yeah, I was taking a picture. Yeah. So okay. Uh, yeah. So let's dive right into it because we want to keep the stream short. It's a Saturday. I don't even want to be writing code because like Emmanuel can also like this like Emmanuel can also like what's the word I'm looking for? It can also like relate to this week was kind of like crazy. And
Yeah,
yeah, so I need to like
even from
recuperate, yeah.
uh, yeah, I think even from our voices, yours especially, it's easy to tell that you've had like a very hectic week. So yeah,
Yeah. But I enjoy doing this, so like
yeah, we still want to have the fun. So still still has to be done.
yeah, I agree. So sharing my screen now. I just need to bring this over here. Awesome. So let me share my screen. Share my second screen instead. Yep. So let me know if you can when you can see my screen.
Yeah, I can see a screen. It's coming up.
How about now? Can you see it now?
Yeah, it's up now.
Okay, awesome. Yeah. So talking about Slidev. Slidev is exciting and it's really cool. So can I hide this? Or I can just drag it to this place. Or I can just do that. Let's put it on second screen. Okay, yeah. So Slidev, presentation slides for developers. You can see like really cool stuff. Yeah, this is like a showcase video. I thought I could like interact with it. But you can like, or is my keyboard just not connected? Which is, but well, I couldn't actually move the cursor. I was just trying to. But yeah, like I like this. Like you have like a front matter, like you're writing like Astro or something. Like you can just like, oh, welcome to Slidev, and that becomes screen one. Like presentation slides for developers. I'm guessing there's a couple of styling that's been written somewhere. But then you still use this like bricks like separate them. But that's just it.
Yeah, most of the
Of course,
stuff
that was
there are like they are mostly marked down, and I think you can add like view components alongside it
yeah, markdown
to
exactly.
yeah to kind of make it more.
I mean that's kind of like fun and exciting because um the reason why we're like one of the reasons why we're streaming is that I think having a template will be like super fun, yeah. Like
Yeah,
having something like that where you can like yeah, it's actually exciting. So
and you
let me
can just go
actually
and do some
yeah,
edits.
exactly. Get started, let's see. Okay, so should we go to the Y slide div? Uh feature rich WYSIWYG, slides makers like PowerPoint and Apple Keynote. Yeah, those are like I haven't actually used Apple Keynote so much. I've used PowerPoint and recently I just
Yeah,
started using Google Slides more. And I think I used Figma recently for like slides. It's actually like crazy, yeah.
yeah.
So
I
why
think
bother making slide there? Yeah?
yeah. I think most of the time, PowerPoint is like the go-to for slides.
Yeah, I mean,
For a
yeah.
while, like anytime I hear slides, or most people hear slides, their head tends to go to PowerPoint first. So yeah, PowerPoint has been
Oh, somebody's asking if I can zoom in. But my screen is apparently not big enough. Let me just
yeah.
I guess this is more zoomed in. I don't know. Yeah, this
I
looks
think
like
it's
more
good
zoomed in.
now. Yeah,
Yeah, okay. So I slide markdown based helps you focus on content. I mean that's a huge plus. It's also web based, which means nothing is impossible. Everything you can do in your web app can apply to your slides. Slider is
yeah.
also progressive. You can start with a super simple markdown file, then use built-in features when you need them without any
Okay.
configuration. There are also themes and add-ons you can optionally install to your
To enhance
slides,
the
like built-in
slides. Yeah.
features. Oh, nice. Uh, ooh.
So there's a block front matter. So you could like do like a layout. You can do um yeah,
Hmm.
give like a title and all those things for each of the
Well, like
slides.
you just like get the code. Slide life cycle. Oh, slide hooks. Well, that's actually fun. Uh, let's go back to getting started. Yeah, okay. So developer friendly, it's fast, with automod replacement, interactive and feature rich, portable. That's a couple of comparisons. And then Anthony Fu's channel. Anthony Fu is actually like super fun. Shout out to him. I think he actually made this, if I'm not mistaken. He's like a wizard
Yeah, I
doing
made
like
the
this,
video.
things like this.
Yeah.
Um, so yeah, getting started. So Slidev. So I've actually been pronounced Slidev. Oh, I guess I've been pronouncing it wrong. Is a web-based make slides maker and presenter.
Slide maker.
Uh, Slidev, yeah. Isn't in view. I can learn more about this rationale in why Slidev. We just left that. So try it online. I can actually run this on the Stack Blitz to see what it's like.
Yeah.
Let's see this running, and we can actually go down to creating uh our own and running it slow. So let me zoom this one as well. So it's running, but yeah, like we're looking at the side, we see like pages here. You can split your slides or MD into multiple files. Organize them as you want using the SRC
Yeah.
attributes. Interesting. What do you
So
think?
you
Oh,
want,
you can actually just.
yeah, if you, I think that
Oh
is
wow.
if you want to like separate your pages, so you don't want to write all the content in a single markdown file.
So no,
So
no.
you
I think
just kind of,
SRC is an attribute. Like you can just put it like this, apparently, and then it just works.
yeah, that's like to do multiple slides. I mean,
Yeah,
multiple pages. Sorry. Yeah.
I can put your snippets here, like code snippets that maybe you want to add. Interesting. It's like,
Yeah.
oh, this was like pages, yeah, and then you had like slides.md. Hmm. Oh, I see. I'll put the
So
background
this one
there.
has,
Like,
yeah.
you can add a theme
Alright.
too.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Yeah, I said, I mean, this is like, I think this is like the layout I'll apply to all the slides.
Yeah. So like basic front matter stuff. So like, yeah, exactly. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. So like, welcome to Slidev, and then there is this subheader, like, oh, press space for next, and then we have this carbon rights. Oh, that's just like view, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
But apparently they said that this looks like Tailwind though. But they said, I think you mentioned about doesn't look like they have
Said
Tailwind, yeah.
something. No, I think they
I
said
mentioned
something
about
about
Uno
uh,
CSS.
Uno CSS. Yeah.
Yeah. Don't say that installed too though.
I think
Mm,
it's part of the what's it called? I
like
think it's
Slidev.
part of, yeah. It's
But I
like a
mean like
module in this.
yeah, think you're actually right. But like I would expect maybe it's like set up somewhere. Uh okay, so let me just come back here. Always
Hmm,
size MD,
this
yeah.
is quite interesting. I just searched for Uno CSS. So if
Mm-hmm.
you go to unocss.dev, yeah, it's a CSS on-demand atomic CSS engine, quite similar to Tailwind. And I also saw that Anthony Fu is like part of the core team member.
Yeah.
So I
It's
think
actually like
yes,
a yeah.
I think the it comes with like write and view. I think it's a view thing because like what I'm
Yeah, it's a
seeing
view
here,
thing, yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, most people that use it I think are view devs. But I think they have compatibility for other frameworks though. Not I don't think
yeah,
it's just for view. But it's like I mean popular in the view ecosystem.
yeah. I can also see it's spelled here too. So
This is actually nice. So you like write your own custom classes and then you can just like come and use it.
yeah,
And they have Next.js support, so this is actually quite nice. So you define like classes here, like you define config thingy, and you can just but you have to do all of that in your uno config.ts.
yeah,
If that's set up, you can now so it generates the CSS for you, of course, but then that allows you to actually just write the class like that. This is actually that makes sense, right? Like I mean, that makes sense. You can actually
Yeah.
import other presets or some other things that no CSS provides, and in your config you can just expand based on. Oh, I see. Like presets and shit. Interesting.
And it
Or
works
you
and
can,
it works really well with
yeah,
review.
beat.
Review is just
Yeah, exactly.
very instant.
And you can just add this. That's actually a nice setup. Hmm. I mean, it makes sense that it's like that they'll compare it to Tailwind. It's just like it sounds like. I mean,
Yeah.
it looks like, sorry, it looks like Tailwind. That sounds. Um. So this finished
I mean it's
building.
still
But I was like looking through. What did you say?
yeah, I said I mean it's still custom CSS utilities because that's like what Tailwind is
Yeah.
also like. That's
Yeah.
how Tailwind also
Like
works.
selling
So
points.
you have
Yeah. Or what makes it
exactly.
Tailwind great? Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. So presentation slides for developers, and then they have it's like press space for next, and ooh, they have like directives or something, uh, like view actions or something like custom made that you can just call like this.
Oh
So this is like slidev.nav.next, and it just like works.
yeah, yeah.
Hmm. But I'm guessing this only work. Let's see if this is this somewhere in their docs, like or is it a part of the theme?
Um, I think it should be.
Um,
Check.
Interesting. Is it like all like actions or something?
Yeah, I think there should be like a file where all those directives should be, so you know, like for each of the
Yeah, I
commands you
agree with
want
you. I
to
was
do.
just yeah, I agree with you. Oh, apparently they're like actions or something. You can even record. But yeah, what I was looking at. Oh, I see.
Okay, look at this. Yeah, exactly. So these are the configuration nav.next. Where is this file coming from? Where is this file?
It says set up shortcuts, so you can like create your own shortcuts. I'm guessing.
Oh,
Um, only on this client side. But like yeah, I guess by default, like most of these operations already kind of like exist somewhere.
mm-hmm.
Mm,
So I think we should
and
check the config. We should see something if not similar to this that we
oh,
can.
like yeah, but like that's the thing. They're not like using any custom configs. They just like, I mean, any custom like actions. They just like code you directly. Like to open an editor. Maybe if I run a search or something from their docs, I'll find it. They have a search, right? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Or maybe that's like the default actions. Maybe if you want to like do a
What
different
you
one,
say?
I say maybe that's like the default actions that they have for those
Yeah.
uh, components.
Oh, apparently it's context here. So it's like there's a context somewhere, the global context that they are calling. Um, so you can just like slide into configs, the title, current page is nav the current page. Uh, yeah, like the structuring or something. Oh no, it's not the structuring, it's just like normal markdown stuff.
Yeah, I think the those current pages are like the properties and probably next and prev are like methods for that Nav
Yeah,
object.
yeah, exactly. Oh, can just like, oh, there's so many things. Like that's just one of the actions. I just wish there was a place where they wrote like all of them, where we can just like find them or something, and just be like, oh
Yeah,
yeah, this is what you call this. That'd be like super nice. Or we can just like look through the core code anyways to find what we need. But yeah, like I was saying, we have like configurations for each one of them.
yeah,
But yeah,
customizable
let's
ones.
just yeah, let's just like look through these taglets and see. So it's like this thing you can just call and then just opens it in editor and then there are just like classes. This looks like Tailwind though, but it's not.
Yeah, it's enough
I think
CSS.
this comes with the theme. They configure the theme, yeah. So maybe some of these
Oh,
operations are like from that theme. Yet.
um,
So we'll find out though while setting our own up from scratch. Oh, I see everything makes sense now. So I just came down here. We treated at this last slide. Oh, the last comment block of each slide. We treated as the last slide notes. Ooh, well, this is nice. And then at the bottom they have like this style. It's like maybe override custom styles or something. You can just write your own CSS.
yeah.
Here's another
Sounds
comment.
like normal CSS.
Ooh, let me actually go through the slides. So if I come here and I press space, it takes me to what is Slidev. And what is Slidev is like, where is it? This is like this slide. So the transition was like fade
Yeah.
out and then it like
Mm-hmm.
shows all these things. And like read more. And then it says you can have this style tag, like the last notes. Like if I went back, okay, this is this line. Yeah, but then he said something about having notes. Like if I was in presenter mode.
I
Okay.
think the transitions are like for the transitions that come before the page. Um,
Yeah.
yeah, for each of the pages before it's loaded.
Yeah, I agree with you. So to see control panel. Right on the bottom left corner. Um wait, bottom left. See the navigations controls panel. Then I expand this. Oh, okay, this they're referring to this.
Yeah.
So you can just like add a control panel for the navigations. Oh, that's nice. And then like keyboard shortcut too. So maybe the slides can even guide us on what we actually need to do. And then if I like
Yeah.
went like this. Oh, that's a nice transition. So the transition was already written per page.
Yeah.
So you know what is how it's going to transition to the next page.
To the next page, yeah. So there is transitions defined for each of the pages. Yeah.
So like for this now, they like layout two columns, layout gap 16. Oh, per column.
Oh, so when you wait, when you click on next, yeah, it shows the second column, right? Before
Yeah,
it goes to the
exactly.
next one. Oh, makes sense.
You can use the TOC component to generate a table of comments. Nice. We were like, how did they add the content to the TOC though? Oh, like table of contents for like everything within the
Content.
slides. It just like
Yeah.
generates it for you. Oh, that's nice. Damn. And you can like put depth and stuff,
Mm-hmm.
or how you should show like subheadings or something.
Exactly. So you could like I think what it does is it takes the title of each of those your
Yeah,
each of the
exactly.
pages.
And then this one put like image right. and apparently you can interact with the code, or it just like shows you. Oh damn! Like even types and stuff. Does it actually run it though, or is it just hard coded somewhere? So they could like specify the code here and lines to highlight. I remember this from like working on Nextra with Nextra a lot. So I could like do this and stuff. And even types hover, like get types directly.
Yeah.
So it was even showing like type information. That's wow, that's actually like super crazy.
Yeah, that's like editor stuff, you know. Like
Yeah,
these
exactly.
are
Like
why yeah,
it's like an arrow somewhere. You
yeah,
can even copy the code.
and yeah, and if you see the way this was built, you know it's like developer focused. Because like these are like essentially what a developer would want to like do for a presentation slide that contains code and all these kind of things. It's easy for
Yeah,
him
I agree.
to like yeah to like get stuff in it.
I agree. But I don't know what this arrow V click does though. Not exactly sure what this does. I didn't see an arrow. But also, fun fact, I can actually use F to just go full screen. Oh, wait, this arrow that is pointing.
Yeah,
That's
it's
nice.
pointing
Did you see it?
to
Yeah,
yeah.
like, and they highlighted the
Did
lines to
you
show
click
by one by.
or did you click on each of them?
Yeah, like, as you move next, yeah, with like the arrow, like my
Oh
cursor,
oh.
the arrow, like on my keyboard, it's like highlighting
Point.
specific lines, then it goes to the next one,
Yeah,
like a code walkthrough kind of thing. And then I shows that arrow to
yeah,
point to the specific line,
yeah,
and then it just
exactly.
ends.
Like
And, oh, that's nice.
yeah, it's super cool. Like you are able to like this is this is full on like very good developer experience because like it's giving you the animations and all the interactions. It makes it
Exactly, like,
more interesting. It makes the slides more interesting. Yeah,
exactly, like if I was like working on slide stuff here, I would definitely. This is like super valuable because like look at like what amazing stuff you can actually like do with this. Um, where are we? There's still many slides to go, and then you can actually write styles inline for like. I just keep going down though. So you can write styles inline. Um, oh, for like footnote step. Oh, do you see that? You can actually like write.
yeah. But did you?
I think they are using Tailwind. Huh? What'd you say?
No, I'm curious. I wanted to ask these classes they are getting. How are they injecting the classes to the
Mm,
components?
yeah, interesting. Actually, a good question. Um, finally, so we can find more information here. Uh, okay. Oh, there's a VS Code extension we can get.
Yeah,
Uh, presenter notes for each slides. Code blocks, latex blocks, and we can do diagrams too. Scoped
yeah. This one's a
CSS.
I think they are plugins. Wait, scope. Okay. Um,
Yeah, I see. Can directly use nested styles and directives, just like right there. But like, how do you get that class name though? Like you said.
yeah, that's what I'm curious about. Like,
You know, one fun thing, we can actually just inspect the slide in dev mode. And actually just know
yeah,
what what the CSS class is, you know? Like
yeah, we
when we're
can
writing code,
obviously.
you can just inspect and say, okay, what's your class name? And just like, oh yeah, I want this to be this color or something.
Yeah, because like I
Um,
think everything will be rendered It can be done with rendered as normal
Yeah, but I like this
HTML
animation though.
stuff.
Like, look at this.
Wait,
You can just like shake it.
okay.
What you say?
Yeah, I was looking. I wanted to see the animation that they attached to that. Yeah,
Like
that
this,
one.
like
The
it's actually like super cool. Like so easy on the eyes.
yeah,
Oh, I see. They have like separate code blocks here. Like magic move, like lines through, and then it becomes this, and then it becomes this.
it's, oh yeah, yeah,
Non-code
it makes
blocks are
sense. Makes sense. So they are just transitioning from this code block to another one, but making like some
yeah,
cool
exactly,
animations in between. Yeah,
exactly.
makes sense.
Yeah, theming support. That's actually super cool. Um, I think we should actually
Oh,
get to installing.
I also have motions for more animations.
It shows up when you click the slide. This VMark directory also allows you to add inline marks powered by rough notation. Oh, I see. That's nice. You
Oh,
see that marker?
yeah,
Damn. Wow. Wow.
this is really really
Yeah,
cool.
damn.
Like
They're
really
really
cool.
cool. VMotion directive. You can just like write what motions you want.
Yeah,
Enter. Be like, oh, nice. But they're like interacting with like individual like images, and
images.
they're like
Yeah.
specifying motions for each one of them so that they like overlap. Sort of. That's very nice.
Hmm. Yeah.
So latex is for like if you want to like write math stuff or something. And you can draw diagrams too. You can have
It's
draggable
really good.
elements too.
Really really good.
This isn't draggable though. Like this is draggable right now. But it says to double click. Oh, I can drag this.
Oh, you have to double click the elements thing.
Or like to like switch the cursor, I think.
Yeah,
Or
exactly.
the focus. Yeah. Oh, you have to double click this arrow,
Double
for
click.
example. Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Nice. That's actually super cool. Uh
Yeah.
yeah, draggable elements. You can actually have an editor directly on your slides.
Yeah.
This
Make,
is cool.
wait, is it going to run? Wait,
Let's say I run this.
yeah, can you try to run this?
I was running like Fib. But like, does it have to be in view? I need to clarify that. Um, to turn it into an editor. Just trying to see if I can like run any block of code. Let's say something very simple.
Yeah.
Oh, add
You run like,
Monaco to the code block, and then it becomes a code, and then it becomes like an editor. Like for example, if we looked at this, they just added like Monaco somewhere. Monaco run.
you know, for run. Yeah.
Oh, like no to any code block at all. But like if you wanted to run, I can execute the code directly on the slide. Just add like Monaco run. Fair enough.
So,
Uh,
let's see here they're coming from. And let's see if we can, like, oh, it's logging.
from external. Oh,
Yeah,
like
we
if you
can
had like
just log.
external.
Yeah, we can
Yeah, let
just
me
log like
just
a number or something to try.
write CL. Yeah, like coming. So there's like function. say hello.
Say
Then let's be like console log. Hello. Oh damn,
yeah, actually
that's
run
super
this.
cool.
Very, very good and helpful. Like imagine you're doing like a workshop where you want to like show people.
Yeah, and I love workshops, and
Yeah,
um, I like I think with this you won't actually even have to go like um to your like VS Code and back or something. You just like do everything directly from
exactly.
your slides.
From your
I mean that's
slides.
cool though, like
Very,
super
very
cool.
yeah.
Unless you're like
I mean
maybe
that
installing. I think if you're installing a library, you can probably just like configure it somewhere because like it says external, so it's probably a way to run that.
yeah, like I think this Monaco editor is also like an integration kind of because like Monaco is like a separate package on its own. So
Yeah.
just have to do the right configuration for it, and yeah, it should work. Slidev.
Okay. Cool. So should we install and get started?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Awesome. So let's install and let's see it in action. So zooming this in, like that would be uh okay. Get started installing. Uh yes. Yeah, it's nice here. Like ooh oh, is this like
I
something in
think you
my
want to
machine?
do to do.
Sudo. I think I recently like messed up permissions in my machine. I don't know why everything asks me to sudo now. Need to actually look into that because it's like a problem. Yeah, so it's creating the slides now. So project name can just be like Slidev, live stream Slidev. Can like push it to the GitHub. So if you want to like maybe fork it or something, you can just like have a slides thing that you use.
Yeah,
Uh, I say we go with should we go with PNPM?
PM,
What do you
PM,
think?
yeah, 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 sure.
Man, I just love PNPM. It's like fast. If I wasn't using like Bun or maybe for work where I
Yeah,
have to use NPM, I was doing like a thing. I
yeah,
would like use PNPM. Or you were saying something?
yeah. I would have said you should use like Yan. Um,
Ah,
I know
no,
you
come
had
on.
a recent struggle. Yeah,
I had like a horrible experience this week with Jan. Jan was like, oh, nah, come on. I was trying to like do a POC, yeah. The POC worked, but I had to like migrate my Jan from like I think there was Berry or something, Jan 3 point something to like the classic Jan. And that's like version one or something. That was what could run the POC. Did the migration, messed up my machine somehow. I had to like reconfigure NVM node, virtually everything on my machine. Now everything asks me for permission. I probably should like find a way to do that to figure that out. But yeah, Jan is probably out of the picture. I don't even think it's on my machine again. I think it's still there, but I just don't. Yeah, I don't want Jan, please.
I actually use Yan, but I had not encountered this kind of issues before. But I also hope
Oh,
I don't encounter it because I don't think I have the patience to. Nah,
yeah. Okay, so so it's built. Let's just like look at coming back here. Uh, it rendered like a page for me, so I just want to bring it to the other screen. Yeah. So
okay.
like it brought this up, like, yeah, welcome to Slidev,
Yeah, so
and then
there's yeah,
basically showing what we just saw on Stack Blitz. So the same thing we had on Stack Blitz. Okay. Oh, I like the way the URL is changing. It's nice. Storing states in URL as well.
Yeah, I think it's moving the. It's adding like the what's it called? The page number and some hash to the URL.
Yeah, yeah, like a query power. Yeah.
Yeah,
So if I like share this URL, like maybe this specific one, for example, it's probably like just take the
exactly.
person to the exact.
Exact
That might be
slide.
nice. Yeah, let me try that. So just like goes to that exact click one. So if I change it to like click two or something, it goes to click two. Did it actually goes to click two? Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
That's
it
nice. I
does
like that.
on the same.
Okay, awesome. So let's dive in. Need to open VS Code to actually see the code. Sorry, where's that? Mm, Visual Studio. Oh, I actually think I have one open here. I just need to drag this here. Um, yeah, maybe just like this. So just like go back and forth, and we know the docs is on the other side. So let me open this. Mm, Slidev, no Slidev. We're searching the entire laptop. No, not that. Just take me to Slidev. Screenshots. I actually need to get rid of some of them. But yeah, let's find Slidev. That'll be like SL, right? Am I tweaking? SL.
Can you do like a search?
Well, I think I named the live stream Slidev. So like L.
Yeah,
Although,
you've gone past. Scroll.
yeah,
Yeah,
this is it.
that's exactly.
So let me like zoom in and then give you a code. What's it called? Live share. So it's like big enough for this. Okay, so let me just give you slide share, live share. So I'll send it to like private chat. Oh, the extension activated. I think I had it installed before. I just sent you the live share link to join.
Okay. Let me just.
Have you joined yet? Have you joined yet? Like super cool. Like,
Yeah, it's loading up now.
oh, so yeah, on the slide that time. Okay. Let me see. Can I follow you or something? Well, I don't see you here though. Okay, yeah, here now.
I think I'm on it now.
Okay, nice. So what do you think?
Um,
I
I
need to
think we
run
need to
this. Oh,
go.
it's already running.
Uh,
I think
we need to
you
go
think
to
we need to
like
do what?
each pages. Like we need to go to each pages and edit a couple of stuffs and explore and more
Let me just
possibilities and
PM.
stuff.
Yeah, I agree with you. Yeah, let's do PM dev. Um, keeps opening on the second screen though. Should be running. What port is it running? 3031. No, I don't think you need to do that. I can just change this to 31 and I'll be running. Okay, cool. So back here. So you said to like go to each slide, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, nice. Oh, the images are dynamic. Love that. Um, oh, so you just want to like change. Let's see. What did you change? You like change something now?
Yeah. No, I think I just hopped on the file. I didn't change anything. Mm. So I think this line, this triple dash,
Mm-hmm.
um, is like a breaker to separate a page, like to separate the pages.
So let's try something then. If this is page one and page two, I mean, we certainly have like more than one page from what I saw. So
Yeah.
yeah. So what are we actually separating? You get me? Should we just like
Yeah, I get what you're saying. Wow. With this sub page,
mm, you can just check your docs, see what some page is about. Did I close that? So we have like important slides. Um, so you can, according to this, yeah, you can split your slides or MD into multiple files for better reusability and organization.
oh,
To do this, you can use the SRC formatter to specify the paths to the external Markdown file. Oh, I see. Like some external Markdown file is somewhere. Um, okay. No, so like we had a subpage.md, for example, we can actually just connect it somehow. So they're like linking this page. So they have like
so
slides.md
that
is a normal page. So they're linking to toc.md. Um, and contents here are ignored. So this page will be loaded from this external slide. Oh, I get that. Did you see what just happened?
yeah, like I mean, if you do,
So they're using
if you
page
create
like
like an
pages like
external,
components. Yeah.
okay,
Like for example, they just called it here and it's like calling it again here. So like you're like rendering a normal component. The way you can like reuse them and
oh,
like yeah, exactly.
I see, I understand.
So so for this one it's like normal a normal markdown file. You can just like import the slides and it will just render from
Yeah,
another presentation. Oh, I love that. Um so yeah. Thank you all for watching. You guys are awesome. We love that here and showing our support. Yeah, so like I was saying, what do you think we play with this? But although, for example, like the only slides markdown that they have here is slides.md. So they are importing slides.md directly here. But I want to be sure because what I just saw, they didn't actually like do it like that. So you can merge front matter too, like from
yeah.
both files, and you can just have it work together. So cover.md has its own like markdown, has its own thing going on, and you can just like bring it into slides.md.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but
They
like I was saying,
also they also call it this sub page. Do we have to like create like a sub
yeah,
page
like that's what
detector?
I'm saying. Like it doesn't exist at the moment. I just want to see the
Oh,
syntax again to be sure. So in imported slides here, they are calling slides.md, and slides.md is like the entire slides.md that we just saw
yeah,
from here,
yeah.
and they're also calling but they're using like this markdown syntax as opposed to what we saw on the slides, which is just like this front matter thing. So I just got confused. as to why that's happening. Uh, I saw page.md is being called um as well. Should I try taking this one out, like size.md? See what happens.
Yeah, I have something to say. Try to comment. I think that would never make. I mean, make the stuff blank.
Oh, you think so? Oh wait, was that
Yeah.
another browser instance? I have like multiple browser instances. Nothing happened. It still just worked like we thought. So maybe this file is
Wow.
not being used at all. Like if I deleted everything on this file, doesn't seem like this file is being used though. But everything still works. But the extension is trying to tell
Well, it
me
looks
something.
like
But that's you. What'd you say?
it looks like the what's it called the file will be used. I mean, only when you have like external imported slides that you want to I mean, you want to append to the already existing slides at MD. But I'm not sure
Oh,
if yeah, but
oh,
I'm
I
not
think
sure
that
if this.
kind of makes sense though. Oh, I see. You. I think you're right. So, for example, we can actually put imported slide into slides.md and not the other way around.
Exactly. Exactly.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah,
So
that was actually right.
we just call them
So let's
itself.
actually try it. Let's try it. So I just
Yeah,
can I do this syntax and before welcome to Slidev, can I just have some like
yeah.
pages slash uh, see if I'm correct. So it's in the same parts. Then they have imported slides or empty. So let's come back here and see what happens. Um, did that even work?
Like, do we have any subpage? I think the subpage in the imported slide does not exist.
Huh.
Which, but I think it
I
was
think
still supposed to like display this page one and
yeah, I think you're
this.
right. But like also, I think there's like pseudo permission issues on my machine for some reason. So I'm just going to copy this command that it told me to copy here and just paste it. I definitely need to figure out how to mitigate all these pseudo issues. But try. Let me just run again. npm pm dev. It'd be fun if we could just do dev. Can actually change the script to just be like that. But yeah.
Yeah.
Um. So I put this here. Oh, you changed it to this.
No, did I? No, it was that was what
What'd you say?
I didn't change it. I think that was what was there before. Wait, did he? Okay, he didn't change.
Like I meant for example, I was doing this. I was doing what was here. Like
Yeah, we
ooh.
changed that to imported slides of MD.
Yeah, I think interesting. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like you changed it, right? So let's try this. This is what I was doing, but I didn't save.
I don't think the file has saved yet. The file is
Once
not saved. Did you do that Control S?
oh, the
It
file
still
isn't
shows that you
saving.
have. Yeah, it shows that you have unsaved changes.
Why is it doing this? I already allowed. I already granted permission.
Okay, I think it's saved now. Can you try it? I just did Control S now. Now move this.
Something about permissions. You actually saw I just saw an article that I used a couple of days back to actually help me fix that. Um,
Why is this going
the
back
pressure on the
to?
command. One sec.
Can you try to refresh now?
Okay, refreshing. Did it change? Oh, it didn't save though.
Why is this thinking?
But my project directory location. Um, so just like so live stream Slidev, right?
Yeah.
No, that's not spelled correctly. Okay. So this command is always like grants me access to read write. So if I run pm dev again, everything should be fine. So let's try. I have autosave on.
Okay.
Let's try this. Not sure it saved though. Okay, it saves now. Interesting.
Mm-hmm. Or I think
Wait, did you change
is
this back?
this is no, I didn't change
Oh, I
it. Like
think
when you hit,
syntax.
yeah, when you hit
Yeah.
Control S, it automatically turns back to this.
Okay, so oh, you just render as normal text though. But we don't want that. We want it to render as this. Why does it keep going back to that though? Like the SRC thing. Oh,
Yeah, I
oh
think
wait.
while rewriting the syntax correctly, that's what we should check. Oh, look at this. It has like um,
Like well,
I think the top is different. So this is what it looks like on the other. It looks like this, and we can change this to what was the part? Pages
mm-hmm.
slash imported imported slides. The ND. Okay, let's see this now. Can you check it now? Is this saved? Okay. Did you change?
Why does it look grayed out though?
Does it?
Like it looks like a comment.
Mm, it doesn't look like that in my end. But like, is there a change in the like in the dev? Can you like check the
Yeah,
localhost?
like it's this
Oh, there's a change
like an
now.
empty page.
Uh,
Yeah, there is like
that makes
it
sense.
doesn't render.
Yeah, that makes sense because like the Imported slides
Yeah, but like he
doesn't
has
really
ease,
have
right?
any. Yeah, he has a learn more something, but
Okay, so let's try going to the next page. Interesting. It's supposed to actually render this thingy like
yeah,
yeah, and this looks like a comment too, like looks like it was commented out or something.
the sub page. Oh,
Yeah,
the
like
welcome to sliding. I think I think it's the what's it called, the extension or something you have.
extension.
Because
Well, I think you actually need to close it.
on my end it's not like that. On my
Yeah, it's because we're using live share. So for live share, you won't actually see anything wrong. Uh, real quick though, let's check this. I mean, they just have this like normally as a file. Wait, I think something. I think it changed though. Like, cause
Is it change? This is like the first um but the issue is the slides, I mean the links that were supposed to be displayed.
links. Where?
Yeah, there's a learn more link on that. Yeah, look at this. Hmm.
Oh yeah, you're right. So we just do like a lorem something. Oh, sorry, there's lorem not working markdown. Let's see. Not exactly sure what we're doing here is working though. It's a lot of flexer. But this
The
image keeps rendering like
yeah
whenever we
the image.
connect it.
Yeah, I wanted to even say where is the image coming from? Because I don't see where we're linking an image on these imported files.
Oh, there's actually errors. What do these errors mean? Yeah, isn't a theme. Okay. About that. Let me save this file. See what happens. So if I save this file, Slidev does something weird, and it makes it be a title somehow, and then just appends it. I think this image is like hard coded to like the home page somehow.
Hmm.
So like
But like
it's just always on the first page.
the what's it called, the SRC syntax, I think what the way it was written here for this one that we have here for this sub page, you can see that the underneath the closing stuff is like a different. It's like the what do you call it? The backlash instead of the normal hyphens.
Backticks.
Can you see? Yeah, backtick.
Yeah, the backticks. Yeah. Uh, one sec. One sec.
So I think that
We could check
one.
this. We could check
Okay.
the this stack blitz here, like just to confirm. I think we still have the stack blitz here. Yeah. Okay, so I can just check this. Yeah, I think you're right though. But like they were not using this file, so they were just like I don't know, just had it like this.
Yeah.
The SRC attribute. So you just put this, but before that, um, you do this. Yeah, let's try. Let's try that. Was that what you did before?
Yeah, that was what I did. I think he had an effect, but the issue was that we were not seeing, like, we were not able to navigate to the pages.
Yeah, and it actually looks like he comments too, like just like comments it out. And this keeps throwing errors for some reason. Errors about
Can
what
you
though?
can you stop this server and run it?
Oh, okay.
So now this is it. We're getting an empty page. That's where it becomes more confusing.
I
So
think we're getting an empty page because all of this looks like it's commented out. Like, see, like it just looks like bluish, you know? So it
okay, I
looks
get.
like
Oh,
everything is
I
commented
get.
out.
Yeah. Wait, but can you try to go to the next page and see?
Yeah, it's weird. Not sure why it's not working. You know, we literally followed exactly what it said here. Like with the what's it called? The syntax guide where it said you can use other slides in your slide and you just have to like import
Yeah.
them like this. Wait, but wait. Before the next page started, they still added this though. Do you see this?
Yeah. So I think because I was saying something that the triple is like a breaker to signify a new page.
Yeah, exactly. I think you're right. So if
So
I
we
like
need
did
to
this,
move.
yeah, but then this works like a comment again. So that's kind of weird.
No, I think you need to move. You have like more than three. You move this one.
So
Yeah,
why
sorry.
moving?
And this so here, and then you have this. I think this is how it's supposed to be.
Oh,
Can you check it now?
the normal page. But where did you move it? Did you move it to inside the main front matter?
No, I moved it like here.
Yeah, like inside the main one.
Yeah. Wow. Still rendering as a text.
Oh, you rendered.
Did it work?
Nice. Yeah, you rendered here. Wait, what did you do
Oh,
again?
okay. So I just moved. I moved this. Like I moved it to the
You moved it
front
where?
matter, and I now added this. I moved this like just with that syntax we got now from the website.
Yeah, moved
So I
it
now
into
added
where?
an extra.
Oh, extra stuff.
Yeah. So I think this one is like what is going to like signify like a break. So it's going to take this as a
New
first,
page.
as what comes first here, and yeah, takes what come next as a new page.
Yeah, but this still renders though. Like this
Yeah, I
thing.
think we have to go to the imported. What's it called? You have to go to this imported slides and uh, yes, this one still rendered as a text. So let's say we want to import another slide, we could just come here and create a subpage. Let me add a subpage. So we do
Yeah, but like
subpage
why did this but
dot
this like see what I'm saying? Like this one rendered
as a
this
text.
one rendered as
This
like
one, right?
yeah, like yeah, like this. It's kind of
Yeah,
weird.
yeah, yeah. That's because Yeah, I think I know why that is happening. So we're supposed to have for this. We're supposed to have this is, if I'm not
Wait, look, I'm
mistaken.
actually able to edit it out. So like if I just remove this, I want to see what happens if I remove that totally. This still shows though. Like
Yeah, the image shows, but the text doesn't show again.
yeah, but like yeah, I totally removed it and then it still worked. Like it still rendered the imported slide. Like see, page one,
Oh, you
page two still
removed.
shows imported. Yeah, like totally. And it still worked.
Oh, wait.
That's
I think
that's weird.
the I
The
think the
what?
what's it called is not loading. The dev server, I don't think he updates, or because that's the only reason why
No,
that
it does.
would
I
still
mean,
be showing.
if it wasn't updating, it won't remove the text from it.
Wait, can you add it back first?
It just shows like that. That's definitely weird. Um, so so maybe this part of the docs is not super helpful because it doesn't actually show what we are doing wrong. Maybe we need to add more stuff here to close that out. So maybe like this. Oh, I think I fixed it. Yeah, that was the issue. It was just extra front matter that we didn't add. So look, so this is the main front matter of the page. It starts
Hmm?
here and then it ends here. Then front matter 2 starts from here. So the extension was actually trying to tell us with all this hash 2 and hash 3. So if I remove this,
Oh, I see.
oh, so I see the problem. We're not closing this main front matter. So we didn't actually need this extra one here. So hash 1 starts from here, stops here, then hash 2. So when we refresh now, it should all be fine. So to fetch the image and import the slides. You see,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I think that was the issue.
Why is he going back to this?
I just saved and then it went back to this.
I think we still need that extra. Um,
Let me add it back. It's still brought it back here though. But even with that, it's still fine. Like it's still fine.
it still works with that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Move this.
Let's try something. Let's see if we can use like the sub page to
Oh, it still
test.
works though.
So just add a markdown.
Let's remove this. Like and just have that only. Just this comment. Oh, I see the problem now. So it needs this back. Um let me just add everything back. So it needs this like page break.
Yeah, that's
Oh no, it doesn't actually. It just wait. It still rendered it, but it kept showing this still.
just move this.
Yeah, this was the issue. We just need to remove this. And it'll be fine now though.
I think we still need that extra. No. I think it needs to go underneath here. Mhm.
And I just like comment stuff out. We had it just now. How do you release it again?
With can you try it now?
Okay. Yeah. So you went back to like that thing, yeah. So you closed the main one, created a new one. Oh, I see what you did.
Yeah.
It still works with the hashtag. That's nice. So you like did it. Oh yeah, nice, 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 nice.
So I wanted us to like try. So we'll go to imported slide and try to do the same thing with this sub page. So I've created a
Oh,
file
to
already
import it
called
back there.
yeah to import sub page
Oh,
into
like a sub
imported.
page, yeah. Okay, okay. So you created sub page or
So
MD. Let me just write
yeah, we
stuff
could
here.
just copy. Yeah.
I love Markdown. Okay.
Yeah, so we can just check, refresh and check if that works.
So did you import
So
it
this
yet?
is meant to show. Yeah, it's imported here already. So that go back to the first slide.
Yeah, but like it's supposed to just show here. So I guess we need to do what we did for that guy. So we just like maybe do the break thing. Oh, you already did it here. Yeah, but like I don't think it's
Yeah,
supposed to
I
work
did
like
it.
that. So maybe like
Oh,
this.
let's get rid of this first. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, okay, it's highlighted green now on my end. I think it will work now. Let's refresh. They actually work. Yeah, but why did they highlight it? But okay, yeah. So
But when you go to the next page after that, what does it show?
it just shows the normal page thing. It's supposed to render on this page, not on the next page though.
Yeah, because like that one is ranging currently rendering as a normal text,
Yeah.
which
But wait,
I'm not
this
sure it
page
should.
didn't update though at all. Like for example, it says you can split your size, blah blah blah, then size.md. Then it goes to markdown page one, page two. Then it shows what we were writing. But like like it didn't save at all. Do we need to restart the dev
Oh, like
server?
the
That's weird.
file. Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Yeah,
Like it's still showing as a normal.
yeah, but we shouldn't be having to save the file all the time. But although this is still within markdown, so maybe we should move this outside. Here. So maybe like if we put it here, for example. Like this is within the backtick of markdown, so we don't need this here. But no, this thing is not updating.
It's still showing like the same.
Yeah. Do we need to restart the dev server all the time? That's kind of off. Yeah, exactly. Like it should show. Yeah, we can just do this. Yeah, okay, everything is blank now. Imported
It's
slides no
blank.
longer works. It just says SRC imported slides.md for like
Did
this
you change
page.
anything in the slides?
Yeah, like I moved this out. So not exactly sure you can import slides into other slides. Maybe it all has to be from slides.md. Sorry about
But I
that.
think from what we have on this reported slide, it says you can split your stuff into
Yeah, but
multiple
like the example they showed
files.
there, they imported a slide into slides.md. I slides.md that's like down here. Where is it? Like that slides.md, yeah, this one. So they didn't like import into another slide. I get what you're trying to do, but I don't think they did that though. So maybe we should try this subpage.md inside slides.md and see if it
Inside
works.
slide was MD. Okay.
Yeah.
So we just change.
So the way we have this one here now, we'll come back here. But slide. So probably need to like take this back to where it was.
I think we just need to change it because imported files and imported slides and subpage are like in the same folder. Yeah.
So I think we should try now.
Yeah.
Uh, thing is kind of weird though. I don't know if you have to always have to restart the server or it's just my machine.
Are you using npm or pnpm?
Yeah, I'm using PNPM. Yeah, so it just shows subpage.md like for the entire page.
Was this how? Okay, wait. I think we didn't add the extra and
This is
get rid
commented
of
out again.
this.
Okay,
Is it?
okay. Let's see. One no.
Wait, let me
Dot
move
com.
this first. Move this here. Can you check it?
Yeah. Checking now. Okay, it's blank. It shows that in the first page. Page two is blank. Like there's nothing.
I wrote. Okay, put some contents in this page. This why is it showing that it's not saved?
Position that is unsaved.
Yeah, I just saved it now. It was showing unsaved before.
Um, Coming. I think it
Okay,
should
like
work now.
sure. The
Interesting.
page two
Still
was
didn't run that though.
empty. Why is page two empty?
Hmm. Interesting. MDX. Uh. Oh wow. This is taking so much of our time. But okay. It's kind of hard to track the front matter though. Page one, page two. I mean, it recognizes the file. It just comes in as blank. Oh, it's out now. Like, oh, it's repeating. This slides two times. So pitch or MG doesn't mean something. It's supposed to show this.
Hmm. I'm
So like,
sure.
why is it showing this page two times?
Oh wait, it's showing the welcome to Slidev twice.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh wait, maybe it's Oh, I see. I think live share is playing with us because it works now.
oh, it takes time to update the changes. Is that
Probably.
why?
Yeah, I think it's
Because
live
I
share or
noticed,
something.
yeah, I noticed sometimes when you like make changes, it doesn't
Because I
update
have to like
instantly.
always restart the server for it to show up. It's kind of weird and annoying. And I'm not seeing the alt module replacement in action. Like it's not supposed to like be updating whenever we
Exactly, that's what I was saying. Like if you look at this, it's not. It doesn't show like it's updating the server, the dev server. Like each time
and
we
the
make
scripts they
an
have.
update.
So like the scripts they have are just for dev. This does like style dev open. It's supposed to be
Yeah.
scripts that keeps it like alive or something. I'm not sure they have
Mm-hmm.
that. But they said that they had HMR or something. But it
So
worked
doesn't
still,
mean we
like
have to like
right side.
yeah. So
It
doesn't
worked
mean we
still,
have to like
showed it.
to refresh each time we are.
But maybe like we have to like restart the server or something for it to like update.
Yeah. Update the changes.
At least we got that working. Yeah. Win's a win. So we're able to test that out. But yeah, for what we were trying to do before, I'm not sure exactly sure that was going to work, but it's probably a possibility. But they didn't like show, they just said like you can just import the slide directly. It's a slides
Yeah.
IMD.
I think I still have a feeling it was going to work if we imported to the imported slides, just the way we did to the slides at MD. But I mean, since this one works, we'll just stick to this and um,
We can
just
try it
add.
off screen, off stream though.
Sorry, what did you say?
I said we can try it off stream though.
Okay, okay, yeah, sure.
But yeah, on the slide dev notes, what do you think so far? Like
I think initially, some
some
of
of this,
the what's it called? Some of the documentation, it's a bit. I won't say tricky. Yeah, maybe I'll say tricky to like kind of fully understand the communication that's going on because I mean some most especially with the like styling and and stuff. So you try to know where those classes are coming from and how you call them basically. But I think as per navigations and pages and all these things, it's more easier to be honest. And then these components are just things you can just call and just add like certain prompts and content to. So yeah, I think this one, I think the fact that we're able to like debug and get over this adding importing an external slide, it sort of gives us that extra knowledge to sort of understand what exactly each line of code is doing. So yeah, I think if we spend like more time on this, it will come easy to navigate and kind of make more edits and add stuff to it. So what
mm,
do you think we yeah? So what do you think we like? Because we're already I think an hour 30 minutes into the stream. So what do you think we add? make couple of edits, maybe one or two edits, and then we push this to GitHub and talk about how
Solid
solid
hack.
hack. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, I agree with that. I was looking through like some of the other pages. Seems they are broken now for some reason. It's
like
kind
the
of
other
weird
pages
though.
to this slide.
Yeah, but I think I get why though. But like, I'm not exactly sure what's going on. But yeah, like I don't think they actually have alt mode replacement, but we can actually press R from the terminal to like restart or
So
something. I don't know if that
restart.
makes sense.
Oh,
Unless we're on an older version of Slidev. But yeah, like some pages are very broken. Like you're just showing this. It's showing like the animations like that were supposed to be in the what's it called, in the front matter before showing the pages,
we're
like
showing
for
different
certain pages.
animations
So
for.
what'd you say? You're frozen.
Did you say it's showing different animations? Sorry.
Like I was saying that some pages are broken, so it's like showing. Ah, I see the problem. Or do I? Yeah, I see the problem actually. Um, certain pages are showing, maybe because I did Control S or something. So it has done this to certain pages. I think the Slidev extension is not really helping for some reason, or unless I have an older version that needs to be updated. Because whenever I save, like it converted some of them to like converted some of them to like, if you see this one for example. Let's come back and just look for a random one. Yeah, let's look for this for example.
Oh,
Oh, I can't highlight.
I
I can
see what
just
you're saying.
search here. What'd you say?
Yeah, I think I see what you're saying now.
So you treated it like a page or
Like a
something.
normal, yeah, a normal text.
Yeah, it's kind of weird
I think we
that it does
can
that
you
it did
like
that.
just can you Control Z back so we see? Because I think is what it's doing is it's taking like maybe the block has been disrupted.
Some
So let's
controls
see how.
doing a control Z back to the original. That's a lot of changes.
So what we just need to see is how that one was being added before.
Oh, so if you see it now, like they have one, and that includes the welcome to Slidev page. Then two, exactly. So when I did a control Z back, you can see one. Now this transition fade out went back to being a front matter thing, but before it was like a header kind of thing. Same with like
That's one
this
thing.
guy.
So I think yeah, it just formats when you do Control S.
Yeah,
It just
the extension is
formats.
being weird. Maybe I just need to disable it. Yeah, like everything is fine now. Maybe if I disable the extension, it will stop the highlighting, but I think it needs to be disabled. Um, ads installed. Slide dev. Yeah, this, or is there like an update or something? Because like breaking things is disabled. Yeah, so this is out now. So if
Or
I
we
do a
can just
control
add.
S, doesn't mess it up. Oh, it still does. Oh, it's probably not Slidev then. It was just my VS code, apparently. Let me enable it back.
I also think the what's it called? The live share stopped. So maybe when you're done, you can just share a new live share listen
Oh,
to.
I think it's because I started extensions. Can you hear me? Oh, is this happening again? Where you cannot hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Oh, okay. So there's a lag then. Oh yeah, so yeah, like you were saying, yeah, I think it's just my VS code being weird. Whenever I save with Markdown, it just like converts on my behalf. Don't know why. So maybe the idea is just not press Control S. But I have autosave, so it's probably still just do it. Like let's say I made a change here, for example, or it
I
just
don't
won't.
think the autosave you have works on edits. So it works only when you save, I think, and when you control S.
Yeah, exactly. You're right. Okay, so that was very exciting in my opinion.
Yeah, but are we?
Did you say something? You are
I
breaking
said,
up.
are you? Are you? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can now.
Yeah, I said, are we able to add this sub page to it?
Yeah, I mean
So
we
I
saw
think
the sub
it's.
page work, right? Or do we want to do that again?
Let's just try to add it. Let's see if just one time if it doesn't break things.
Like add it where?
So we can just add it here.
Okay.
So can you check this if it works?
Mm, I think I
Oh,
need to
it's not
restart the
set.
server again.
Yeah, it needs to be saved. Ouch.
Why is this even happening?
Okay.
Like, where is this coming from? Transition fade out. Is that like a thing? Did you do Control S somewhere? Did you do
Yeah, I
Control
think.
S?
Yeah,
I think I think it happens
I've
on both
taken it.
sides. Yeah, like
I've taken it back.
I think you shouldn't do Control S either, because when you do it,
It just takes overrides to stuff.
and it didn't update again. It's still broken.
Okay.
But like this doesn't even make sense again. Like where is transition fade out coming from? Because we don't.
You know what?
Or did you import
Let
this
me.
page?
Mm,
Yeah,
I
like this is
think.
what we have here.
It's not supposed to be. This is. I think the
It's not
control
supposed
S
to
is
be
the
what?
issue. It's not supposed to be like this. There's, I think, an ash or something. Come,
No, there
let's just
isn't.
take this back.
There isn't. It's fine. Yeah, this is fine.
But that's not supposed to appear as a text now. It's not like it's an animation that's supposed to be added to the page. So if you go to the next page,
It's kind of annoying because I don't. Hmm.
can you
Where's this
take
coming from? What's that? Did you write SLC again?
no, no, I didn't. Can you just take it back to like the way it was? I think when you do the control S, either on both sides, it messes things up, which is quite funny because I think the extension is like meant to like it's meant to like give you like what you're trying to like recommend what you're trying to do and give you like a nice format. So I don't know why.
No, I don't think they have auto-model replacement, so we actually would not see the change unless we restart the server from scratch. Okay, so it looks like they do have auto-model replacement, but it's just not showing our changes for some reason. Um, so page two is what's a slide dev? Let's go to that page. So we have what's a slide dev, and it's literally showing the animation code on top of it.
Can you check? Can you just check the stack blitz and make
Let me
and be
do
sure
it
that this is
again.
how the animation
It's
is
still
being?
the
Because
same.
I have a doubt that there's something missing in this transition. That should be.
Yeah, we can just check that out. On
So just
Stargate,
check.
we have
So let's see how they did the transition. Okay, just three transition fade out. So is it the same we have? Um, look. Oh, maybe I know
let me
what's
just
causing
copy their
it.
code.
Can you?
Let me
Wait,
just
wait,
copy
can
their
you?
code and paste
Okay. I think there's an extra, what's it called, that's causing.
pasted it. So let's see what happens. I literally just pasted their code and
Wait, you have to
still the same
rerun
thing.
the server. You have to rerun the server. Yeah,
Yep, same thing.
this is very weird.
You can run this from your end too to see what's going on. I think you can run from live server.
I don't think so. I don't have access to the terminal.
Just open it and type something. Like presenter mode, like this.
I don't think I can run from here.
Okay.
I don't have access to the terminal. But I think, I don't know, it's just very weird because Even the layouts
Mm,
are also no.
just doesn't make sense that it's showing that. I like that photo. So yeah, so maybe instead of this, wait, don't tell me that's a problem.
It's not showing
It says
anything.
an empty page. Fine. I see what the problem is. I think live share
Yeah,
is
I
the
think it
problem.
works. Wait, can you go back?
I think live share is the problem in one way or the other.
Oh,
Somehow,
I think I know. I think I know why it's adding the. Wait.
live share is the problem somehow, because it's not syncing the changes properly. It's kind of weird. This should not even be a page. It should be like a thing. Don't know. Yeah, like so doing that makes it be its own page, so that disappears. Yeah,
Oh
I see what the
yeah.
issue is. I think live share is the problem. So maybe it's not syncing the changes properly or somehow, but it's intentionally just messing things up, uh, or something. Probably the network or the internet. So because I didn't see this code wasn't available on my side, so I was seeing everything being fine. But it wasn't fine. So probably live share. Yeah. So this is like cheeky magic move. So if we went to that page now, everything should be fine on Shiki. Yeah. So that was the issue.
Um, so I mean, that means you. That means you have to like be able to like trace those um those closing dashes, I guess, because I think that's what
Mm-hmm.
determines where yeah where a page starts and where it stops, or a certain section of the markdown.
Yeah. Um this one though, I'm not exactly sure of. Are they together like this? Seems they are together,
No, I
yeah.
think okay.
Dragable.
No, I don't think they are together because you have like an element. Oh,
Did you just kill my server? I think there's an error, yeah. Should be an error. Because this doesn't make sense. Oh wait, does it actually make sense? So think I see it now. So you created this as an empty page.
yeah.
So it's
So
already
you have
starts
to
copy.
clear.
So basically. Yeah, so let me see that. That's like draggable. Let's see what they have here. So for draggable, I just saw it now. They
Yeah,
only have,
that's
yeah, think one way or the other. I still can't don't know how it's working, but but I
I mean, you
think
can just
yeah. Live share is definitely the issue here because yeah, live
yeah,
share is
that's
really
how
the
I
issue.
was.
But why is it this big though?
I think the metrics you use is it the same? The square, yeah, or is the same?
Yeah, center. But wait, they have full bar and then drag position. But square is like under like this, like this. So I see.
Things around that you have to restart again.
So you have to like careful. Yeah, I see it now. So square is
Yeah,
like under exactly. So that makes sense. And then we just have to fix these guys. But how did these things get auto added though? Like it's just weird. Oh yeah, this file is not found. When did we even? Oh yeah, this is from because we took the thing
yeah.
from StackBlitz. Interesting. So what we copy pasted was like auto formatted, but like it just messed it up still. So everything is fine now, except this page. Where is that coming from?
But I think what there's a page we're merging two pages. Has like a merge of two pages.
Mm,
That's the Monaco run, like the editor. If you can check
uh
where you have the editor.
this shouldn't be here. Oh, it just added it back. Wait, are you typing something?
I'm not.
Wait, so who was typing? Is that creepy? Uh,
Looks like there's a third man. This like live share. So we need to clear this one.
why is not highlighting it though? Yeah, live share is definitely buggy, I think. Uh, no, are you sure you're not typing something? I can see
I'm
your
not actually.
cursor though.
My cursor is just on. Yeah, it's just on.
Wow, that's definitely weird. But this is a live share issue. Slidev is fine. Um, yeah, auto typing for some reason. So I'm just not going to deal with that right now. So we should talk about Solid Hack though. We've been like so far into this stream.
Yeah,
So Solid Hack 2024. Solid Hack is coming up in 23 days. That's like almost a month from now.
yeah,
Exciting because it's cash prize. It starts October 1. They will be like announcing. So I think they said like you get to like build 5 projects, but with Solid JS or something, if I'm not mistaken.
yeah. And I think
It should be
your
like a
project
blogger.
has to be like they specified. Like I think yeah, like there your solution has to be around, but it has to be yeah, it has to be like built with some chairs. And they have like a lot of sponsors. I think they have Netlify, they have um, Cloudflare, um, yeah,
Yeah, as sponsors.
and Century, yeah, sponsors.
No, but it's like Netlify and Century for now, I think. So you can like we have 6 weeks to build a project, and you're not to be selected by public vote. You just have to join the Solid Discord and the Solid Hack channel, 2024 channel, and ask questions and stuff. Read the rules and regulations, legal age via URL. Submissions posted after some closing dates will not be accepted. Yep. Mesi's libraries developed by themselves of their team. Yeah.
Yeah, these are just like instructions you want to go through. Yeah, before participating, so you are sure that you are following the guidelines of the hackathon.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't end up doing work that doesn't
But I
align
think
to
people get to
what.
vote for you. People get to vote for you,
Yeah,
so that's why there's this thing with
yeah,
fake accounts. So you can't like go and vote for somebody. It has
yeah,
only
exactly.
one category.
I think they are opening it to like public to like vote based on which project they feel
Yeah, I
it's
think so
worthy
too.
to.
So everything ends like December 3rd when this winners be announced. So 6 weeks
Yeah,
of hacking. I think this is exciting.
very exciting. And there's a prize pool too. I don't know if you mentioned that. Uh,
Oh yeah, there
there's a
is like
prize
I
pool.
think 15K or something. Yeah,
Yeah, 15K.
that's like nice, right?
Yeah.
So definitely a good motivator. So participate and we should be participating, right, Manuel? I think we should do like a series here for like that 6 weeks where we just like build stuff live. Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that would be great too. I mean, I'm looking forward, so looking forward to it. So, yeah, it could be something we want to do like on the live stream.
Yeah, I think it will be definitely fun for sure.
Yeah,
So I'm excited. Looking forward to Solid Hack. And today's stream was something. It was exciting. So yeah, we learned Slidev. We saw like a lot of cool stuff, and it's definitely something I'll be using for like future slides. Um, for like a conference talk or something. Uh,
yeah,
yeah. So this was awesome. Thank you all for staying till now. And watching us, just do stuff and play around. And yeah, thank you for being here. So that's all from me, really, Emmanuel.
yeah, yeah. Thank you very much for tuning in today. I mean, we had like we had a great amount of fun. I mean, for those that were in with us from the start, I think you'd have learned by the end of this, you'd have learned 18 or two. You know why we're navigating and running into issues and trying to resolve. So, I mean, it's been very helpful, very very helpful because like these are the things you want to like get a scope of before you want to actually use it. So now if I'm going to use this to like make a slide with what I've gone through today, it becomes very easy for me. I tend to run into less issues because, of course, I've had like a bit of like run through over it, and I know what exactly are the issues at some point. So it's been very useful. So yeah. So thank you very much for tuning in. We appreciate your support. We appreciate your presence. Yeah, and it's been awesome, awesome. We hope to do more next week. And yeah, that's all for me. Thank you guys. It's 2 hours, by the way. 2 hours hacking. Yeah,
Yeah. I thank you, folks. We appreciate you all, and thank you for staying till the end. And have a great weekend. Bye.
yeah. Bye.